to question the entire of the day, start each day with a positive thought. Today, my friends are going to tell you about life cycle of a plant. Let's have a look. A root is a part of a plant that is normally underground. They fixes a plant primarily in the soil. Thank you. Plant is the part of the plant. It's the that grows above the ground. It's the course and whole leaves, flowers and fruit. Thank you. Good morning, friends. The leaf is one of the most important parts of plant. They produce food for plants through a process of photosynthesis. Thank you. Good morning. Flower is a part of a plant. It attracts insects for pollination and makes nutrients. Thank you. Plants need air, water, sunlight, and good soil to grow. Thank you.
Do you know the parts of a plant? The parts of a plant, the parts of a plant. Do you know the parts of a plant that make them grow and grow? The roots of a plant grow underground, underground, underground. The roots of a plant grow underground. Roots are part of a plant. The stems of a plant hold up the leaves, hold up the leaves, hold up the leaves. The stems of a plant hold up the leaves. Stems are part of a plant. The leaves of a plant are making food, making food, making food. The leaves of a plant are making food. Leaves are part of a plant. The flowers of a plant are growing seeds, growing seeds, growing seeds. The flowers of a plant are growing seeds. Seeds are part of a plant. The sun helps the plant to grow up tall, grow up tall, grow up tall. The sun helps the plant